Hey class, this is Casey Shear with CIT336 for enhancement number 6. We're going to go and just jump right in it. So here you can see we have the admin page all made up. Oops, I don't know why that's clicked. Which we'll go ahead and just kind of jump into that. We'll go ahead and validate it first, but we got to get to it. We got to log in. So we're going to log into a level 1 user. We got me, I'm a level 1 user. My email, password there. Yeah, so let's web developer this. Copy and paste all that. Delete the exactly same stuff I already tried out. And check it. Look, oh, no errors. Perfect. Let's close that. We don't need that anymore. Okay. So that out of the way, we got it validated. We want to make sure that it switches. We see that it shows the logout now. If we go to Acme, or I guess we can't really move around too much, but if we go to the Acme page, if we click logout though, it goes back to my account. See, if we go back to my page or my account or needed account or any of that stuff, it's all normal now. But if we go ahead and we'll log in under, what is the admin guy? Yeah. With the password that I do not like, but there we go. Super user. We'll log into there. It switches to log out. Cool, cool. See here also, it's present in the controller. See right here. Let's see. Yeah, right here. Okay, if you do want to log out, it just destroys it and takes you to the login page. Cool. Code for logging in as chat is there. So, say if we want to log in, we'll look at that. We'll actually look at the login page here. So we got our buttons and stuff we had to make. But after you input those, it'll run input here and then do login to. If we go over there and check out from our accounts controller, case login to, a lot is going on here, but we'll just jump a couple things. So it gets the email and password you put in, checks it, checks it here. If it's empty, it'll give you an error. So here, we'll go log out and we'll test that right now. So obviously can't put anything in, but if we non-validate, please enter an email. Okay, let's say we have an email. Let's enter our email. Oh, we got a non-validate, but we don't enter a password. Please enter a password. So it displays based upon what you need. Same thing for created account. If you don't have that stuff, it actually displays, please fill out the following forms to register right now. But if we non-validate, it says, please provide information for all empty form fills. Pretty nice, pretty nice. But we actually want to go back to login here. If we just put in some garbage stuff, please enter our correct email. So still, it checks that that wasn't the right kind of email we wanted. Okay, so it's checking that and populating that and exiting and taking us back to the same view. Same thing for the password. Yeah, all this basically is getting the client data and storing a session. Oh my gosh, session stuff. I never knew about that. It took me forever. It took me for a while to get that down, but I got it down. So it's making an array, storing all that stuff as session, which in each of my things it has a session start here. And then basically populating, if the session logged in exists, it's going to store all the client's information in some variables for us to grab. Pretty neat, right? Okay. So the code check being long present. See, with the admin, ooh, it's kind of way zoomed out. Basically, ooh, that's on the bottom here. So here on each of the pages, if session logged in is true, it's going to give us that logged out thing in the top right corner. Else, it's going to take us to the home page and get us out of there. And we saw that earlier with when we logged in or moved around, it had the logged in thing. Code to display the products linked. Okay, so we'll log in here again. We only want it to display if you're greater than level 1. So we have a level 1 user and a level 3 user. So we'll go ahead and log into level 1 again so we can see this. We log in, populates data, but there's no way to get to your products to go over them. But if we go ahead and log out, and then we log in under admin, password is that one. It now has a products page. So if we go here, still has the logout page. If we go to new category, still has the logout page. If we go back and go to, new category, still has the logout page. So we'll go ahead and just do that. Okay, so code to display the products is present and only works as greater than 1. So it doesn't show up if you don't have higher than 1. So our first guy who had 1 didn't work. Let's see. I think that's basically everything. Let's see. In the model thing, we added the function to get here. That's basically that thing that's getting all that data to display. Yeah, the ID, name, last name, email, and admin. I decided not to do the password because it only shows a hash tag, and then also thought that'd be a security thing. So we don't need to be displaying passwords even if they are coded ones. It's just not a good idea. So yeah, we got that all set up. That's grabbing that and basically just giving it into our stuff here. Basically that array and that session stuff right there. So yeah, so our logout works, our page works, and if we're higher than 3 it works. So I think we're all good. Yeah, everything's good there. Cool. Well, thanks for letting me take some of your time and going through all this.